Welcome to the Income Training Kit Chapter 6. How to choose best affiliate offers. In this video, we will see how to choose the best affiliate offers to promote, step by step. So let's get started. The thing is, there are so many affiliates offers available. Then, how do you choose a good affiliate product? Now, what you should pay attention to. Affiliate program from a trusted marketplace. Complete product description. Affiliate tools. Easy payment method. Easy registration. Registration is free. The product owner can be contacted. Keep all these points in mind while choosing affiliate offers to promote. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 7. How to promote products on Warrior Plus? In that video, we will see how to promote products on Warrior Plus, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.